Hola amigos, we are the Roots. In this vlog we are sharing with you the ups and downs of our mission to travel and experience as much from life as possible. Please join us on this our journey. So, Mr. Root, where are we up to now?
Today's episode, we start demolition. It's all hands on deck and a huge learning curve for the kids and Laura.
Roots here again. As you can see, we got finally our bus. We're ready to work. Yesterday, Brian figured out a way to fix the lock situation because there was no locking. Today, we're ready to start screwing everything so we can start doing the demo, clean it up, and doing the construction. So, tag along. We were very lucky because AAA gave us the bus mostly with no seats. So that really helped on the demolition process a lot. Still, we needed to remove so many things. Like the heating and cooling system and the metal flashing at the bottom of the walls that is actually holding in place the wall panelings. All this crazily labor intensive. And then the upper panels that are hiding the electric system and at the same time are holding the ceiling in place. And all this is being held in place, but what it seems thousands of screws and rivets. Now you may be wondering, why are we trying to remove all the paneling in the walls and the ceiling? Well, we need to insulate the bus and make it a four-season vehicle that we can actually take to Florida or Alaska if we want. We also need to raise the roof 24 inches so that after the insulation and the new ceiling, Brian can actually walk in the bus upright because he's 6'3". There is a lot of people out there building schoolies that they don't need to raise the bus because they are not 6'3". Brian is. I gotta say that every time we remove something, there was a little bit of a victory dance. You know, I have to give some credit to the kids because if it weren't for them that they were helping us to carry things up and down and in and out, it would have been a miserable process. Well, actually kind of was, but it would have been worse. So first day at job, and there were some tears There were some tantrums, there were some fingers smashed, and a few cuts. Silver lining though, we still have all our digits.
Thank you for hanging out with us today. Please give us a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. And until next time, hasta luego, amigos.